So we're back with a brand new product. This is Poly or Plantronics. When Poly merged with HP, they changed the name to Poly from Plantronics, but the brand is a really solid brand. This is their Poly Studio P5. It is a pretty solid web camera. You can see it right here. Included in the box also is a quick start guide and manual. But this item is pretty straightforward in its use. So it's got a nice little protector there. And then on the top, you can see that it's got a shield. You just rotate that and it opens up the camera lens. That way no one's watching you when it's closed. And this right here, it's not mechanical. So there's nothing in it that specifically will automatically open or close on your needs. So you can make sure just with your hand touch that no one's able to access this camera and open it up without your permission. On top of that, it has a really straightforward, easy setup. Front cover, angle that against the back of it, and that's going to keep it in position. There is no screw mount on this for a tripod because this is just a simple, straightforward web camera. It's a 80-degree HD FOV 16.9 with a f-stop 2.0 with autofocus. It's pretty straightforward. Just a USB cord, no adapter to USB-C. And if you do need to download any software for this web camera, you can just go to poly.com/lens, which is pretty solid. It does click and stay in open position in case you want, and then just close it. It just stays there, but so it doesn't keep closing on you in the middle of your Zoom meetings. It does that. This does 360 change. So if you need to show the people in front of the camera or back of the camera, you can just pivot this thing pretty easily back and forth. Well, let's take this, let's set this up and show you what it looks like. With regards to that light, it is very bright. It is very acceptable and usable in the space that we're doing it in. It's going to give you that brightness that your lizards are going to need during the day, as well as give them some nutrients back because it is a UWB bulb. But yeah, so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.